The eagle is a messenger from the Creator, and the message he carried is love. Creator loves you, and we love Creator, for Creator is everywhere, in our medicines, our food, rivers, lakes, and forests. We are all connected through love. To honor the eagle and its representation of love is to love ourselves and be kind to ourselves and others. Always be thankful for who you are in your life, the gifts in your life. We must pray to the Creator and give thanks daily, and we think of the eagle flying high above the clouds. The eagles sometimes will appear during a ceremony. Eagles mate for life, for a very sacred part of the here on earth because they fly very high above the clouds, closest to the Creator. Eagles carry our prayers to the Creator. Because of this, the eagle represents love. Love yourself, honor yourself by cleaning your space at home to love your home. Eagle is also a messenger of generosity and forgiveness, and the components of love, and it flies highest in the Creator. Male eagles take care of their young. We must eagle by loving ourselves and other spirits. We are all spiritual people. We must be kind to ourselves and to others, because we are all part of the Creator and do not want to offend the Creator. We honor the buffalo as the buffalo is essential to our survival. Now our buffalo is our education. Getting an education is what will be our buffalo, an education to provide everything you need to survive. Your food and your shelter, ideas and goals to create a better world. Now that buffalo is gone, education replaces the buffalo. The buffalo teaches us who we are inside of us, not outside of us. The buffalo teaches us to maintain our identity despite internal changes around us. I once attended a ceremony where the buffalo came to me and blew in my face, which was very emotional, for I didn't understand the reason. I then asked an elder who also interprets dreams and visions, who told me that a buffalo is my spirit keeper, that I should honor the spirit of the buffalo. I do bring offerings to the Sundance every year. And when we offer tobacco in all aspects when you're offering to the spirit keepers, whether it's the buffalo or the eagle.
a hui de yo hey de hui na hui de yo hey de a hui de yo hey de.
The bear represents courage. A spirit keeper, bear is the animal closest to humans, as they represent man the most, what bears need for survival, and such that humans too. Bears display by how the mother bears are the most protective of their young. They protect them with their strength. They are very strong in protecting their young. And as humans, we must also take bears' courage to live with strength and protection of what you love. Bears are not scared of nothing, and that is how humans must be to face problems and solutions to make a better world. You cannot be scared, you must be courageous like the bear. The mother bear keeps her young till the cubs are 3 years old and sends them away to fend for themselves. Women sometimes, during their ceremonies, honor the bear's spirit with offerings of berries and cloth. The beaver works hard, industrious, and thinks ahead. Prepares very carefully for her little ones. Beaver works very hard for her family. Look to beaver for foresight, planning your future carefully, day by day to ensure you meet your goals and survive, to thrive. Beaver is in tune with Mother Earth and builds dams higher, knowing the winter will bring a lot of snow and many extreme cold days. Also, a beaver is not aggressive and he knows his environment. To honor the beaver, think ahead of the greater food of today actions to honor the beaver. Plan your future, be ready, and work hard for your goals. Don't ever give up. Have you ever seen a beaver give up on his own home? No, so never give up. Even when it may get hard, even seem impossible, nothing is impossible. To honor the beaver, do an offering of food, cloth, tobacco, and give thanks for teaching how to work hard in life, just like the beaver has taught us. The beaver builds community, uses his sharp teeth to build his home. His teeth are his unique gift, and he uses it to help himself. The same can be said for us humans. We must use our gifts to contribute to the community and family.
Long ago, there was a supernatural being called a Sasquatch. The Sasquatch walked mysteriously amongst the people. Their purpose is to remind us to be honest to the laws of the Creator and to be honest to each other. Never try to be someone else and always live true to your spirit.
Wolf represents humility. Wolves hunt in packs that represent teamwork and how important it is to work as a team. The whole pack looks after the little ones. Wolves represent humility because they always think of others before they think of themselves. Mates also mate for life and are very protective of their family. They care for their little ones. We can honor a wolf spirit by thinking of others before you speak and do what is right for the greater good. That is what a wolf represents, to do what is right for everyone, to think of survival as a community. We all need each other to survive. Wolf also teaches us there is a higher power than humans, then we must represent that. We are just tiny specks in the universe of all creation. Not everyone involved around you. That is humility. Sharing and working hard for the pack. It is a hard lesson to understand and practice.
Na con we choja ke o te he ke no he a wa no he o
Turtle
he
represents truth. The truth on the turtle's back is and that we are all one and we are all came from the back of a turtle. The turtle represents truth, and to understand and know the value of truth, you must understand the laws of the Creator, like honesty, respect, love, humility, wisdom, courage, and the truth. To know these and understand them is truth. The grandmother turtle taught us never to forget or lose these teachings. If you look at the back of the turtle, it represents 13 moons, each representing the truth of what cycle is the moon's rotation around the sun. The 28 markings on a turtle's back represent the moon and the woman's body, the life giver. The turtle's back represents creation by the higher power and how the sacred a woman is as the life giver. Grandmother Turtle teaches us the woman to honor Mother Earth, which is the turtle, by ceremonies every month, every full moon, with tobacco and berries and cloth according to the seasons. We have to understand we are all different, but we are all share one goal. If the earth is polluted, these things won't exist anymore, and we lose our gifts. We all share the earth, the water, the air, the trees, and the soil we grow our food. We all want to be loved and give love. We all want to be friends, for we are all born special and unique. Every morning, thank the Creator for giving you life, giving you another day. When you pray, think of the sacred animals that they symbolize, how to bring their teachings into your life every day. That is honor. Respect because miracles are everywhere, within everything. Just be. Animals must survive. They, they keep going. Just be alive and thankful for the human animal spirits are intertwined for reasons we know. Just like animals, they have everything they need to survive, to protect them and survive. Honor the spirit of the animals by living their teachings. Animals are different and offering cloth and cooking for a feast by offering a dish. Also by making offering of flowing water like a river, and give thanks for the many gifts like life, clean water, like the beaver has helped to keep it clean and alive.
Hey,